Hello and welcome, guys. Today we are going to learn the expressions available in the C++. So there are some of the expressions available in the C++ known as the constant expression, integral expression, float expression, pointer expression, relational expression, logical expression, okay, and special assignment expression, which includes the three types: chain assignment, embedded assignment, compound assignment. Basically, the C++ expression consists of operators, constants, and variables, which are arranged according to the rules of the language. It can also contain functions, calls, which return values. An expression can consist of one or more operands, zero or more operators to compute a value. Every expression produces some value which is assigned to the variable with the help of an assignment operator. Now, we will move with the first expression, which is known as the constant expression. So the constant expression is an expression that consists of only constant values. It is an expression whose value is determined at the compile time but evaluated at the runtime. It can be composed of integer, character, floating point, and enumeration constants. Constants are used in some of the situation, like it can be used in the subscript declarator to describe the array bound. Also, it can be used after the case word in which switch statement has been used. It is used as a numeric value. Also, it specifies a bit field width. Okay. So the first example of the constant expression will declare the int x. Okay. Then x is equal to, will take some expression like 5 by 2 plus 3. Then cout value of x is x. Okay, return 0. So here variable declaration takes place. This is our constant expression. Okay, and this is our output. So whenever I run this, we'll get the 5 by 2 means the answer is 2, and 2 plus 2 is the result will be 5. Okay, so we are getting the value of this expression. Now we will see the integral expression. So in this we will keep the x because we will require the x and return 0. Along with the x, we will declare the another two variables x, y, and z. Okay, then cout, enter the value for x and y, and then cin x, y. Okay, now z is equal to x plus y. After that, our result cout value of z is z. Okay, and then add now this will get the input from user for the x and y values, perform the addition operation over here, and then display the result in cout, whatever has been result came over there. So I'm running the example. So I'm entering the values for x and y. So suppose I will enter the 8, 9. Okay, the value is 17. It returns means 8 plus 9 will be 17. So this is the example of integral expression. We will see another example for the same. Okay, so here I will declare x is equal x and y is equal to 9 and z is equal to y plus int 10.0. Okay, so this is our integral expression. Okay, cout value of z colon z, why it is showing the error? Okay, because we haven't provided the semicolon over here. Return 0. Once we run the program, we will get the output. Can you predict the output? 9. 9 plus 10 means it's a 19. Okay. Sorry, I have pressed the wrong key. See, the value of z is 19. Okay. Now, similarly, we will see the example of floating expression. For floating expression, we have to declare the float values. Float x is equal to 8.9, comma y is equal to 5.6, okay, comma z, semicolon, z is equal to x plus y, cout value of z, z, ठीक है. Now function f5, so 8.9 plus 5.6 would be 14.5 as the output. So this was the example of float expression. Now we will see the example of pointer expression. For pointer expression, in the we will declare over here the array. Now regarding the array, we will learn later. We will initiate the pointer variable. Now tr is equal to arr, means the name we have taken above, which is assigning base address of array to the pointer. Okay, now ptr is equal to ptr plus 1. You can also write it as ptr plus equal to 1. Okay, so see out value of second element of an array star ptr endl. Okay, now in the any kind of programming, the program always move from top to down and traverse from left to right by default. So in this case, we have declared the array, initialize the pointer and assign the array to the pointer, and this will increment the array position one by one and return the value of the second element of the array. Okay, so the value must return the 2 as the second element is given here as a 2. Function f5. See, the value of the second element of the array is 2, because here we are getting 2 because we are initializing everything and increasing the pointer value. Means initial pointer value is 0 1, and we are increasing it by 1 and returning the respected value of the star ptr, means pointer variable. Okay, that's why we are getting the second value over here. Now we will check for the relational expression. Sorry, double type. Now first understand what is relational expression. A relational expression is an expression that produces a value of type bool, which can be either true or false. It is also known as the Boolean expression. When the arithmetic expressions are used on both sides of the relational operator, arithmetic expressions are evaluated first, and then their results are compared. For example, int a is equal to 35, int b is equal to 75. Okay, then bool y is equal to a greater than b. Okay, now see out value of y, y. Now what will happen over here? We are declare variables like this. This is our relational expression. Okay, so basically this means a is greater than b, whether it will compare the a with b. Now the answer is false, as we know 35 and 75. 35 is smaller than 75, so the answer would be come to the false in the boolean. But in C++, it will return it as a 0. If it is true, then it will return as a 1. So whenever I run the code, I will see the output as a 0. See, the value of the y is 0. Okay. Now we will move to the logical expression. First, understand what is logical expression. The logical expression is an expression that combines two or more relational expressions and produces a bool type value. Logical operators are double ampersand and double or that combines two or more relational expressions. Okay. So we will see the example. Int a is equal to 2, b is equal to 7, c is equal to 4. Okay. C out a is greater than b, or a is greater than c. Okay. So this is our logical expression. Okay. So the explanation of this condition means it will check for the answer of these two conditions. If any one condition is true, it will return the true or the one value. Okay. If the both the conditions are false, then it will return the result as false. For example, a is greater than b, 2 is greater than 7, it is false. Okay. So we will get here as a false result. Or a is greater than c, 2 is greater than 4, no, it is also false. Both the conditions are false, so we will get the result as a 0. Whenever I run the code, I will get the answer as 0. See, our answer is 0 over there. Okay. So that's it for the operators as of now. The rest will be continued in the next videos. Thank you guys. Bye bye.